Hello and welcome to You Again Yoga. I'm Jo, and the flow for you today is for when your mind is scattered. When we're finding it hard to focus on tasks, we keep thinking of everything else but what we need to. This flow will bring you back into your body, help you get out of your head and give yourself some freedom to think, to breathe and come back to yourself. So let's begin with our feet directly underneath our hips. Feeling all 5 toes pressed into the floor, the balls of the feet, the heels grounded, the legs long, hips on top of your heels, shoulders on top of your hips, and neck stacked beautifully on top of your shoulders. As you inhale, reach the fingertips up overhead, interlace your fingers and turn your palms to face upwards. Feel the palms pushing as if they're trying to lift the ceiling away from you. The heels press down into the floor so you get this pull of opposites up to the sky and down into the earth. And breathe into that space. Now this flow today is going to bring you back into your body. So I'm going to keep saying, feel this, feel that into your body so you can really bring your mind back inwards. So really feel that stretch of opposites. Feel your feet being pulled into the ground and feel your hands being pushed into the sky. Inhale to lift the palms even higher up towards the sky. And as you exhale, you draw the palms over towards your right and your hips drive out towards your left, finding a gentle side stretch. So feeling the sensation all the way down the left side of your body, from the heel of your hand all the way down the side, into your hip and into your heel. Breathe. Inhale back to center, over towards the left, palms to the left, hips to the right. Gently pulling the belly in towards the spine to give you that stability. Feel the sensation down the right hand side of your body now. And inhale back up to center. Push the palms back up towards the sky and this time lift your chin towards your palms. So if you're gazing between your interlaced fingers, lift up the heart space and we're just encouraging a little back bend in the upper back. And exhale, release, keeping the arms up there. Yes, you may feel sensation in your hands and shoulders, rising up onto the tips of your toes this time. Now feel the toes pushing down into the ground. Feel the palms of your hands pushing up to the sky for 3, 2, 1, and let everything go. Beautiful work. Roll the shoulders out. Feel that energy in the arms. And find some stillness. You can soften your eyes closed and just be aware of the sensations in your body, bringing the focus back into the body and how you're feeling. Gently open your eyes if they were closed. Coming into a balancing pose, perfect for really focusing your attention on one point. So you can either find a point in the horizon or a point down on the ground if that feels easier for you. Coming into tree, your right leg, the sole of the foot comes pressing into the left thigh. If that feels too much of a challenge for you today, you can take it into your calf, or maybe the toes are still resting on the floor. You will still get the same benefits. So find the expression of the pose that feels good for you today. Join your palms together at your heart space. Find your focus either on the floor or on the horizon in front of you. Press the sole of your foot into your left leg and at the same time feel your left leg pressing back into the sole of your foot. This will help you with balance. Feel the crown of the head growing up tall and the sole of the left foot going down into the earth. Feel the pull of opposites. Find your focus and breathe. Concentrate on the sensations in your body. One more breath. And exhale, slowly and mindfully release both feet back down to the ground. Breathe. Take that time in between each pose to see how you feel, to bring the mind back into the body. And then we continue on the left. So left leg comes up to whichever height feels good for you right now. Press the foot into that right leg and the right leg presses back against the left foot. Join your palms together, find your focus and breathe. Feel the spine long, crown of head up, sole of foot down. If the mind drifts, bring it back to your body. One more breath. And exhale, mindfully release both feet down onto the floor. Breathe, feel your body. Try and find stillness. Well done. Feet hip width distance apart. Sitting back into our chair. So the weight goes into the heels as if you're about to fall backwards to sit into a chair. The spine is long, tailbone is gently tucked under and your abdominals are tight. Lift up the heart space. If you're finding it hard to lift your shoulders, you can just take your hands out in front of you. Breathe here, feel the sensations in the thighs. Take all of your attention into the body. Feel the muscles working, feel the heart rate increasing, feel the breath increasing for 3, 2, and 1. Folding over the legs. Hands coming down towards the earth. You can bend your knees as much as you need to rest your belly on your thighs and just relax. Shake out the head, shake out the shoulders, let any last little bit of tension go. In this position, coming into your halfway lift. So lifting the chest up as if you're a beautiful tabletop. The fingers don't need to touch the floor. Stretch through the back of your body. Your knees can be soft. And then exhale and release back over the legs. Walking your hands out in front of you to come into your plank position. Stepping the feet back until you find your perfect plank. You can drop the knees down at any point if you need to. Now in this position, engage your abdominals, lengthen the back of the neck up towards the sky and breathe. Again, feeling into the sensations on your body. Dropping your knees down if they weren't already. As you exhale, bending through the elbows, and we touch our chest and our chin down to the floor. So we have 8 points touching the ground. Our chin, our chest, our hands and our knees and our feet. On your next inhale, press up and come into a little cobra. Tucking the elbows into the side, shoulders away from the ears. Open the chest and exhale back down towards the ground. Pressing yourself into a tabletop position. Hands come under the shoulders and your knees come under your hips. Simple cat and cow. As you inhale, the belly drops towards the ground, your tailbone tips up, your chest opens to the side and lift your chin to fill the chest with fresh oxygen. As you exhale, reverse, curl the tailbone under, belly into the spine, chin to chest, let the head go. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, contract. Find your own breathing pattern, your own rhythm, your own speed. So you can move as quickly or as slowly as feels good for you right now. Make sure you're matching your breath with the movement. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, round the spine. For 3. For 2. And take one more. And when you have finished, find your neutral tabletop. So that means your back is beautifully flat. So engage your abdominals. Feel the back of the neck lifting up so you have a beautifully straight spine. Reaching the left arm out in front of you, just in line with your shoulder, and at the same time, your right leg behind you. So your toes and your fingers are in one line and they're pulling in opposite directions. Your abdominals are engaged, your shoulders away from your ear. breathe. Again, feel the sensation, the heat building, the breath increasing, the heart rate increasing. Take your focus into your body for 3, 2, 1. Hand down, knee down, breathe. Observe. Second side, right arm out, left leg out. Feel that pull in opposite directions. That pull will also help with your balance. Engage the abdominals, release the shoulders away from the ears. Feel the pull. For 3, for 2, for 1, and exhale, hand and knee back down. You can round your spine, give yourself a little cat stretch, release the neck, release the shoulders, and then join your toes together. You can open up your knees a little wider if it feels good for you and come into your child's pose. Forehead down to the ground, the elbows can soften, the hands spread out, palms flat on the ground. Feel the lower belly, feel your hips sinking down towards your heels, and just let everything go. Bring your focus to your breath, extending the length of your exhales. Three more deep breaths. Last one. See if your exhale can be even longer. And slowly, using your hands, gently crawl the hands back in to lift up your body. And coming into a comfortable seated position, however that looks for you. It can be on your knees, it can be in a chair, it can be cross-legged. Take a moment just to soften your eyes, to encourage your focus to go inwards. Notice how you feel now compared to how you felt at the beginning of this short 10-minute flow. Notice how even 10 minutes can really change the way you feel, the way you think, the sensations in your body, the space you have, the breath. Take a deep inhale, and on your exhale, open your mouth and sigh it all out. If your eyes were closed, gently open your eyes, take in the room. Bring your hands together in your heart space. Thank yourself for this time to calm down the mind, to bring that chatter out of the head and bring your focus back into you, into the here and now, and into your body. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed this class, please subscribe for more short practices to calm a busy mind.